Hey, welcome to Sweet Saturday. This is the day when teachers get to relax, not think about any student, not do any work, just lay back and eat and sleep, etc. Yeah, this is Sweet Saturday, right? Wrong.
Arts Workfly.
Students think that teachers do this on Saturdays. For me, what I actually do on For me, what I actually do on Saturdays is to write my lesson plans. So on Sweet Saturdays, I write my lesson plans. And this is one of the topics that we should do. I know, right? Sounds boring, don't? Hold on a minute. I'm getting to it. Simply put, drawing as documentation is drawing from observation. Let's say, for example, pardon my language, there is a naked cat in front of you. You're not going to draw the cat with fur. You're going to draw the naked cat as how it is. Another example could be, let's say, pardon my language again, there's a dried up old leaf in front of you. You're not going to draw a newborn baby, fresh leaf, green leaf. You're going to draw that dried up old leaf. Basically, you are taking record of what you see through drawing. Now, in order for you to draw what you see, first you have to know different types of drawing materials. Here are a few. Based on what you're trying to achieve, you're going to select your material accordingly. We're going back to the cat example. So let's say you want to draw that furry cat that you love so much, right? How are you going to get that fuzzy cat? You're not going to use a medium that has a bold point because you're trying to get the fur. You might have to use something fine like a pen or fine pencil point or fine lead. Things like those. You would have to use something fine to get specific details. So in order for you to achieve a specific look, you might have to choose a specific medium. Alright, simply put. Understood? Good. To achieve that specific texture of the cat, you will have to know different drawing techniques. So some drawing techniques are... Now, for your exercise, what I want you to do, if you have any of the materials that I mentioned, go ahead and grab one. You're going to make a series of sketches of an elliptical object on paper. Place the objects on a paper to create balance. Use no less than 4 drawing techniques to complete your composition. When you're done, you're going to compare your works to others, maybe from a textbook, internet, or a student or a friend beside you, wherever you are. Now let's move on to something a bit more difficult, but under the same topic of teachers does nothing on Saturdays. I mean, drawing as documentation.
Paleolithic.
I know, sounds new, right? You have heard it before. Watch this. So with the Paleolithic drawing, we're going to focus on four main things: design, medium, technique, and the function. So watch this here. Now that you have gotten an idea of what is Paleolithic drawing, you're going to make somewhat of your own, but in a more modern version. With that said, I want you to use medium of your choice to produce a detailed composition of an animal of your choice using the drawing techniques. Ensure to take pictures of each step. It's very important that you take pictures of each step. By the way, ensure you subscribe to this channel here if you have not already subscribed. Yeah, so this is one of the things that teachers do on Saturdays if they don't go to church, or if they're not taking care of their home, meaning cleaning, washing, cooking, etc. Different teachers have different responsibilities. On a sweet Saturday like this is what we do.
What do you want?
This is what I rather do.
Nothing. Do your homework.